Hi, welcome to Coding for Beginners using Scratch. And today we're going to show you the program, how to run Scratch, how Scratch works. And let's do a quick review of what is Scratch. Scratch is completely free. All you need to do is to go to the site called scratch.mit.edu and click on Create Project. Once you're on the Create Project, the way Scratch works is you have all these coding blocks here, and you have some sprites here. You can have different kinds of sprites, and you can add more sprites using and change your sprites, and there are many options here. You also choose a background and you choose the coding block. So this is how it works. So what you do here is you choose the character. You can have two characters. In our case, I have Giga and Pico here. And how the program runs is when the flag is clicked. That's the first event that ever happens in the Scratch program. So when the flag is clicked, what do I want to do? I want to switch to the Arctic background. I want to say hello. These are all look blocks. You can have this in the look section. There are blocks called say hello for 2 seconds, think for 2 seconds. Different combinations and different varieties of it are there. So you just drag and drop what you want, and the characters will do that. And one character, and you're actually coding for each character the different things. When the code is clicked, like the flag is clicked, only one character may need to act to that event, or you can have both characters, and you're coding for different characters. Here it shows in this place it's showing you where it who you're coding for. Right now I'm coding for Giga. If you switch, as you can see, I'm coding for Pico, right? So and what does Pico do is different from what Giga does. In my code, as an example, right now when I click the go button here, what's going to happen? Let's read it, and let's read our own code, and then you'll understand what it does. So it says hello for 2 seconds, and it broadcasts a message called Pico 1. So and then I have the same thing for Pico here. What does Pico do? When I receive Pico 1, I will say hello. So basically what it does is the two characters are saying hello to each other. First Giga will say hello, then Pico will say hello, and after you are saying hello, you wait 1 second, and then Pico will say let's go to moon, 3 2 1, and then and wait for 2 seconds, and then you'll broadcast a message called go to moon, and that's an event. So somebody has to have a script for what to do when that message is received. It could be any character who does something. So in this case, we have the script on Pico saying that when I receive a go to moon, we switch the background to moon, and we say, oh wow, where are we, for 2 seconds. So let's run the code and see if it really does that. So as you can see, we started in Arctic. We're saying hello, hello, and then Pico will say, let's go to moon, 3 2 1, and boom, the background is changed, right? Because then we had broadcasted the message go to moon, and when I receive the go to moon message, I switch the background to moon. I can choose anything if I want. So yeah, this is what it is. It's an awesome way. It's a very simple once upon a time story we are saying here, but in few minutes, in few drag and drops, you can actually make an animated scene here. So I hope you enjoyed this, but really easy to play around with Scratch. Please just play around, try all these things. The main thing you want to do to how to get started in with Scratch is go to the site and drag. The very first block to drag is that when the flag is clicked, and then just drag some other things, right? When the flag is clicked, say hello, say this, say that, change the broadcasting, change the background, make yourself different, like change your look, move, do some motion, and that's it. That's all programming is. And then your sprite, the characters will do what you say, and it's fun. So I hope you like this quick video on what it is, and how this specifically this once upon a time coding for how you can make an animated video like this. Again, let's play it one more time. So we start in the eyes, we say hello, hello, and then let's go to the moon, 3 2 1, and then boom, they're in the moon. So that's what it is. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.